Need to replace your Dodge Charger key fob battery? It's a straightforward process. The Dodge Charger key fobs, typically found in models from 2006 to 2023, use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These batteries usually last 2 to 5 years. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. If you have a 2015-2019 model, be aware that some cases are glued, making them slightly harder to open. Save money by doing it yourself, as dealership replacements can cost $50 to $100. First, gently pry open the key fob case using a tool like a screwdriver or scalpel. Be careful not to damage the plastic. If you encounter glue, apply gentle heat to soften it before prying. Next, remove the old CR2032 battery from the fob. Pay attention to the polarity. The positive side should be facing up, with the plus sign visible. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the fob. Make sure it's properly aligned with the positive side up, matching the polarity markings. Reassemble the key fob by snapping the case halves back together. Make sure it's securely closed to protect the internal components. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. Verify that the signals are transmitting properly to the vehicle. If the fob doesn't work after the battery replacement, it may need reprogramming. Take it to a dealership or auto locksmith for this service.